Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I want to welcome you to day 8 of my 12 days of Christmas tags. And today's tag is going to be fairly simple, and that's only because this cute little paper piecing is already made. Excuse me. And I don't want to add too much. I want her to be the focus point. So I cut out again using my Crealies Dies, my tag shapes. And first off, I've got some of this cute washi, and I doubt you're going to be able to see it. You can kind of see it, but it's cute little Santas. And I thought I was just add this to the side of my pattern paper before I stick it down. And he is going in a vertical position. So it's a bunch of little Santas. And he's just kind of hanging out right there. So now I can go ahead and glue down my tag, and I'm using art glitter glue. And if you haven't checked out the other 7 days, I will link a playlist down below, so you can definitely check those out. And I believe she is a pattern from Cuddly Cute Designs. And they have such the sweetest, cutest little faces. Isn't that so cute? Super cute. They sell such the cutest little faces on their kids over there. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to have a little dimension on her, so I went ahead and I pre-added some pop dots to the back of her just to save a little bit of time. And I have some other cute little things. I just haven't figured out how I want to incorporate them in a tag. But I have this super pretty little piece right here. And it's got all kinds of glitter and stuff on it. I know it's not picking up on the camera, but I wanted to use that today, but I just couldn't figure out what to do with it. So hopefully I can come up with an idea with that before the end of the 12 days. Because you only got 3 left now. So I want her offside because I kind of, the little Christmas tree right here in the background, kind of wanted it to look like she was actually there with it. And then I'm going to add this little Christmas present to the bottom. I was going to put it in her hand, but I think she's up too high to actually put it in her hand and not have it look wonky. So I'm going to add a little present behind her under the tree. So that right there. And then I'm just going to add this simple little to from tag. And this is from the collections when I've been using some of these things here. And again, adding some extra glue because these are old stickers. And there we go. I think she's super cute. Anyway, thanks for stopping by today on day 8 of my Christmas tags. And be sure to check out the link below to see the other days. They are all so cute. Can't stand it. Going to have quite the collection going by the time I'm done here. And I did use the larger tag again for her just because she was so big. If I had used her on a normal size, you can see she definitely would be hanging over on all of that. And then pop dots, just some old ones from my stash as well. Alrighty. Anyway, thanks for stopping by today. And if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And until tomorrow, I'll see you then. Until then, happy crafting, guys. Bye.